everyone, I am making my tofu feta today to make a Greek salad, and this is the secret to this recipe, why it tastes so good when other tofu fetas don't have the same flavor. It's because the tofu is first simmered in the brine and it really soaks into the tofu, and then it goes over to the marinade and absorbs even more flavor. So you want to try out this recipe. It's from Plant-Powered Families, and it's also on my site, so I'll have a look at the link in the description. Enjoy! Have a look at this, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at the colors. This is the finished Greek salad with the tofu feta. And really, you can customize it, make it your own with whatever vegetables you love. But this is a little taste of summer. Summer's here, so go try this recipe.